Hello everyone. In this video, we will create a data entry form using VBA. It means Visual Basic Editor. And we will use ChatGPT to create this data entry form because ChatGPT will help us to create it just in a few minutes. So let's check it. Okay, we'll create something like this. This is a button. Whenever we press this, so it will open a form for us. Using VBA, we can create a complex data entry form like adding radio buttons, check boxes, drop down, whatever you want. So you can add using VBA methods. Okay, so let's check it. For example, I want to insert a new record. Let's check it. And position like developer, department, software. So by press inserting, so it will insert a new record. Look at the new record has been inserted. If you press the cancel, so it will cancel the data entry form. So it's what that we will build in this video. So let's start. Okay, to create a data entry form using VBA with the help of ChatGPT. So I will close this one and I will open Excel again. So let's open that. So yes, so let's first of all ask from ChatGPT to create data entry form for us. So look at this question that I have asked from ChatGPT. Okay, I just simply asked, let's create a data entry form. Okay, let's create a data entry form using VBA, or let's create data entry form. So the answer of ChatGPT was that like this. Okay, prepare worksheet. It says first of all, just create a worksheet and name it data entries. So let's create and rename our sheet to data entries. That is okay. After creating that, just come here and it says just create 4 columns. You can add the columns depend on your requirements, but now for the learning purpose I will add these 4 columns: employee ID, name, position, and department. Okay, everything is okay. So let's select these 4 columns and just increase the size. So after that, it says open the VBA editor using Alt plus F11 or the developer tab. Then insert a forum, then insert label and text boxes and a button. So let's do it. It showed you everything. Okay, it guided to you. So just come here. I will come here to the Excel and come here to the developer tab. After coming to the developer tab, let's move to Visual Basic Editor. And after coming here, let's create now a forum. So to create forum, let's move to insert and press user forum. Now let's create and design this forum like this. Let's take the label, like this is the first one, first label. Let's label 1. Okay, and let's change the caption, which is name. This is used for name. Let's copy and paste it. This is the second one that we will use. Copy and paste one. This is the third one. Bring it down here, and copy and paste it here. This is the fourth one label. So let's just change the caption. This is for the second one was, the first one was ID, the second one was name. Okay, yes. Let's change this one to ID. Caption of this one is ID. This one is position. The fourth one is department. That is okay. Now let's create text boxes. So to create text box, just come here and drag the text box. Bring it here. Text box 1, that is okay. Copy this and paste it. Text box 2. Copy and paste it. Text box 3. Copy and paste it. Text box 4. So now let's create 2 buttons. So to create 2 buttons, just drag this one and we will create 2 buttons. the first one is for cancel. Just let's create it button cancel, and let's change the caption, which is cancel. Let's create another button, which is used for save. Button save. So we can just change the background and the background of input field and background of these text fields. So we can do everything whatever you want. So okay, look at just change. These are the properties that you can change, but I will not make those changes because it will make the video length increase the length of video. So let's just now add, let's move back to the ChatGPT. It says write VBA code for the data entry form. So to write, okay, it says double click the save button, then insert this code. So let's do it. I will copy this code, just the code inside the function, copy that code, and just come here and double click the save button. Double click. After double click, insert that code inside this function. So everything is okay. Let's press tab. So this is okay. Data entries, yeah, the sheet name is data entry. Cells, yeah, that is okay. Just come here. We will just change these fields name. Okay, the first field name is yeah, that's the first field name is text box 1, and copy this one, paste it, and this is second one, third one, and fourth one. So after that, let's also change that here to 3. These are the text boxes, fields name. So after writing these things, let's close it. We did for the save button task. We completed that task. Let's just come here and back to the ChatGPT. Add code to the command button. Yeah, to the cancel button, we will add this code. Copy this one. Double click cancel button and add the code at the middle of that. Let's use the function name and also this one. That is okay. Let's close it. Come here back. Create a macro to show the user forum. Okay, let's create a macro to show the user forum. Copy this for user forum. Come here, and to create a macro, press insert, press module, and paste that code. Okay, user forum 1. This is the name of our user forum 1. Okay, the user forum 1 dot show. After creating the macro, now we will create a button. Okay, it says create a button and assign this macro to that button. So let's do it. It showed you the method, okay, how to do it, the process, how to create a button and how to assign that. Let's do it and create it. I will close this and just come here to the developer tab, to the insert, to the forum controls, and I will create a button. Just take it and let's create a button like this, and I will assign this show data entry forum macro to this one, to this button. It's okay. Now let's design it. Okay, press the design, and I will change this text. Show like data entry forum. Let's press back the design option. Now let's press this show data entry forum. So you can see the form. Let's insert the records, name, seed, possession IT, department IT. Press save button. So record has been saved successfully. Press cancel, press back this one. Let's insert the second one. Save it. That is okay. Look at, so we can apply validation and also change the colors and make it however we want, so we can make it like that. So this was data entry forum using the ChatGPT. So you can, whenever you want, for example, to create a complex forum, just mention to the ChatGPT that I want to create a forum like this, okay, to how these fields, radio buttons, check boxes, and drop down list. So it will create that for you. Just simply create you in the Excel. It will guide you, it will show you, do like this, So then you can, if you want to add validation and formatting and other features, just ask from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will show you the path to do like this. You will achieve this. So it was all about to create data entry form using ChatGPT in MS Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.